Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. Make sure Arcmap is installed and you are signed into ArcGIS. Next, obtain a Google Maps API key from the Google Cloud Console and enable the map's JavaScript or tile APIs. This key is required to request tiles. Once you have the key, copy it and check billing and quota to avoid interruptions. Make sure you have a writable project folder for temporary tile configuration files before moving to Arcmap. Now in Arcmap, open the catalog window and create a new tile connection or add a new GIS server connection that accepts XYZ tiles. Enter the Google tile URL template and replace the key placeholder with your API key. Include parameters for X, Y, and Z tile indices. Set the correct spatial reference, Web Mercator, and allowable zoom levels to match Google's tiling scheme. Once done, validate the URL and save the connection so tiles can be requested as a base map layer. Add the tile connection to your Arcmap document and drag the tile layer into the map. Place it beneath your operational layers as a base map. Make sure the data frame is in Web Mercator and adjust transparency or scale dependencies so overlays align. If performance is slow, enable local caching or limit visible zoom levels. Finally, save your MXD. If tiles do not load, check the API key validity, referrer restrictions, URL template syntax, and your network firewall as the primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.